Flying onto the Antarctic ice sheet, this plane is carrying vital equipment for a team of British scientists. They're trying to drill down to Lake Ellsworth, buried deep beneath the surface. But last week, an important piece of the drilling mechanism broke down.
We're really pleased to see this plane. This is Victor Papa Foxtrot Alpha Zulu, piloted by Doug Pearson, one of the BAS pilots. The reason we're pleased to see it is because it's bought one of our spare parts for the boiler, which is an absolutely crucial part for us to get back into restarting the drilling programme.
If the lake can be reached, the team hopes to find clues about the evolution of life itself.
The team is using a 3-kilometre-long hose to blast superheated sterile water through the ice. But they face one big problem: pressure. At lake level, it will be 300 times what it is at sea level. So the team is digging a huge cavity below the surface in order to equalise the pressure. Once at the lake, the team will deploy a probe with what's called a census package.
That census package will tell us things like what the temperature of the water is, what the pH of the water is. There are cameras on the front and the back of the probe so we can see whereabouts it is in space and time. And we can look for things like gradients in the chemistry and the physics of the system, and that's where we tend to find the largest concentrations of life.
That's if they find life. The conditions at the lake, extreme pressure, extreme cold, total darkness, are inhospitable. And that's the whole point. If life can exist at the lake, then it could exist in similar conditions elsewhere in our solar system. But the team has very little time to answer such a fundamental question. The borehole can only be kept open for 24 hours before it refreezes to an unusable size, ultimately sealing the lake off once again and leaving it as it has been for hundreds of thousands of years. Dominic, Kane, Al Jazeera.